Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can upload app to Play Store. So in order to upload any app to Play Store, we have to log in to our Play Console account through the Gmail. So this is the Play Console. We will type Play Console on our browser, and here you can see the Google Play Console. It is coming. You can click onto this and we have to go to Play Console. In case if your account is not uh, registered, then you have to register your account by paying an amount of $25 to the Google. So since we already have the account, we will just see how we can upload an app. So this is the account name. Now we will start the process of uploading. So here you can see currently there is no app for this account. So we will create click on this create app option. Here we will write the name of the app. Here you can write the language. Language is as per your you can choose. Normally it should be English. So either it is a app or game. So our one is an app. So we'll choose the app. If it's free or paid. So in this case we are using a free app. If your app has subscription or paid option, so you can click on the paid. If there is in-app purchase into it, otherwise you need to choose the free. Then we need to agree to all these policies and then create on create app. So after that our app will be getting created. So now the app is getting created. Here we have to upload the .abb or apk file in the production section. So here we will create new release. So you can upload both. Sorry, either of like apk or .abb, but .abb is more recommended because that gives lightweight to your app. So this is the file that we have already, and now we will click on this to upload it here. So it is getting uploaded. So you can see the app bundle got updated here. This is the version. Here we need to write a release note, like we can write anything, like we may write this. Maybe your tagline or something related to your app in one line. So it is showing some error. We need to check that what are those errors. Your app target or above, you must declare the use of advertising and click console. Okay, so we need to, this is not error actually, these are the steps we need to follow in order to like publish the app. So here one by one we have to go. So before that, let's go to the store presence. Here we have an option of store presence. Just let me This is a store presence. So here we have to go to main store listing. So here we will like, this is the app name, this is the short description, and then here is the long description. So under the long description you can write like about your app. So I will write about this particular app, some information from the about section. Now here we need to upload the app logo. So it should be the size of 512 into 512. You can say, so this should be the size, square size of 512 into 512. Then it will get uploaded. Otherwise it won't. Then here we need to upload a feature graphic which should be of 1000 in 1024 into uh, 500. 1024 into 500. So that is the, here we add one. So that I'm not able to see, we created one of the image. Hmm, maybe that image is gone. We didn't save that. Okay, we saved it in the screenshot section, I guess. So here, this is the featured graphic we have. Then it is asking for any YouTube link or video link if you have. Then here we need to upload the screenshots. I think this we need to, okay, let's download the screenshot first. Already the screenshots I have collected and shared it through my WhatsApp. So these are the screenshots. Yeah. A total of 8 screenshots we can upload. With the downloaded we can upload this. We can upload all together and then we can arrange it as per our own sequence. So maybe I would like to put this one first. If you want to remove something, you can also remove that, not an issue. Now, so that is it. We can click on this here. So these details are already saved. Now we have to go to here, like inboxes. Here, we need to go to the dashboard and see which tasks are still pending. So these are the tasks that are still pending. We need to complete all this 1 to 11 tasks one by one. So we need to click on set privacy. So here we need to provide the link of our privacy policy for an app. So the URL of the privacy policy. So this is done. Now you can go back to the dashboard again. Then again proceed with another here access. So access. So here we need some login details. So we'll put one login test details, and we need to if your app has login system, then you need to put login instruction. In case if it doesn't have login thing, then directly it can be added. So we will click on the add instruction and come here. So here we will type like login, and we need to give the ID and password. So just let me see the ID password. So we created a test account previously, so that we need to. So we'll go to our password manager and check. So here we have one for test student. So this is the username, and now we need to enter here the password. The password we can click here. So this is a test account, and we'll just create this account. You can create a new test account for the verification purpose only. Then click on add. Let's see if anything I'm missing. Okay, so no other information is required to access. So we need to click on this also, and then click on here, and it will get saved for the app access. Now we can go again to the dashboard and declare other things like ads, whether our app. So we do not run ads through AdMob or any other sort. So we will click no. In case if your app has ads, then you can click on yes. So it got saved. Content rating. So we need to get rating for our app. So there will be some questions related to your app. So here we need to provide the email ID. So we'll provide this is the email ID. We'll put email. So here the certificate rating details will go. So here it will be like all communication examples include Facebook, Skype, other all other types. So it's not a game or neither it's a social app. So it will come here based on your app. You can choose the following all types, all other types. So here downloaded app. Does the app contain any rating relevant content? No. User does the app natively share? So you can read these questions and based on your app, you can answer this. So in most cases, the answer is no for most of the things. So it is basically an educational here. So we will keep like educational thing. Now we'll click on the next. So all these questions are in now here. So we'll click on this rating. So the rating is there and it's completed now. So similarly, we'll further move to other actions. Now target audience. So normally we can put it like 13 and above, depending on your thing you can put. So in case if it's made for children, you can click on yes. If it's not, then you can click on no and then save. Then this is saved. Again, we'll come to the dashboard. Now, whether our app is a news app. So it's not a news app. So we'll click on just no and then save. Again, we'll come back. Then COVID tracking. So our one is not a COVID app. My app is not a publicly. So you can, if your app is not related to COVID and thing, then you can just click on this option. So here data safety. So they will ask some question like which type of data you are collecting and why you are collecting those things. So here we need to go to this and like does your app collect or share any of your required text? Yes. Here it will like is all of the user data collected by app encrypted in transit. So we'll put yes. Username and password. Which of the following method account creation does your app the password? Add a link. So we'll put here the privacy policy link, or you can put another data deletion link. Request someone all that I deleted. So we'll click on this. Next, try to get saved. Now what we are collecting, we are not collecting the location part. We are just collecting the personal info like name, email ID, address, user ID, phone number. So one by one we need to choose why. So we are just collecting it as per the functionality. So we won't click on the share thing. We are collecting it. So similarly, app functionality data is data collected is required. We just can. We'll click on then save, then all the same thing. So one by one, all we have to so based on your app, you can put all the data collection details. This one is still pending. So all these are done. Now they will be asking for everything here. So this is also saved now. Now we can go back again to the dashboard and see what is remaining. So now government app, whether the app is government. So our app is not government. We'll create on this. So last few steps and category, select an app category, provide the contact details. So we need to provide the app category. So we need to click on the app. So this is an app. Now what is the category? Education in our case. You can choose your app category. Then also you can use tags so that your app has good ranking. So here we can search like education. We'll put education and then apply. And here we need to provide like store listing contact details. So email ID, we need to provide an email ID. So let's do it here. This one we are gonna copy and just paste it. Oh, sorry. So this is the email ID. Then we have to put uh, privacy, sorry, a website URL. Click on this, save, and we are done. Now at all. So we can also click on this if you want to advertise your app to other than the Play Store also. So now all the things are done. We'll go to the dashboard and check if there is something remaining. Otherwise, we will roll out. So all the activities here. Okay, another thing remaining here is the country. We need to select our country for which countries we are releasing the app. So we can click on this and add countries. So we will select all. You can select some of the countries in case if your app is only for a specific country, then we click on save and your country will be added and your app would be published in all other locations. Now, once all these things are done, we can go to the dashboard again and then we can see what is there. So preview, create a new release, create a rollout and release. So here we have already created a release. Now preview and confirm. So we will check everything whether all the things are there has been added properly or not. So we can see all the details. If we need to edit anything, we can check and then edit. Or if everything is okay, then we will just click on here, then next, and then we can just some warning or something is missing, I guess, that we have to complete. There is one error, it is showing your app target. Oh, you must declare the use of advertising ID. Case, does your app include? No. So our app does not have any ad ID. So you can declare that for your app. So again, let's go to the release overview and then we will check again. Oh, so let's better to go to the dashboard. And you can again come to here, preview and confirm. So we will click on this edit release again, and then we will check everything. Then we'll put here next. Now it is coming for save. It means all things are done. Now it is saved. So go to publishing overview, ready to send for review. So our app is ready to send for review. Here just go to publishing overview, view the details. So we'll go to this. Just let us go to production and see if the app is sorry. So we will check here our publishing overview. Send 14 changes for review. Production. So here everything is done. Now we will send this for review. So we'll click on this send. This changes will be sent to Google for review. Typically within 7 days, but may take longer. So we'll just take time to see why it is coming. So we need to since we need to put this actually. So we'll click on this. Now changes are done. So changes in review. Uh, Rollout in review. So the app is now gone for the review. So under the all apps you can see in review. So once it is getting published, it will be visible here as like published, and also it will be available on the here using the link. So now it's went for review, and maybe within a couple of days it will get live. So this is how we publish the app on Play Store or Play Console. So this is it for today. Thank you.